It uses AI to bring AI.
It's safe to say that AI has been hogging all the limelight lately. But what most people don't realize is that behind the scenes, graphics processing units or GPUs are powering this revolution. Did you know the new favorite kid in town, ChatGPT, was trained using GPUs and also uses them to run millions of queries on a daily basis? So it goes without saying that GPU programming is crucial for all the cutting edge development happening today. What the internet was to the previous era, AI is and continues to be for the upcoming era. And GPU programming very much lies at the heart of this AI revolution. Welcome to the GPU programming tutorial series from Robotics Playground. In this video, we'll take a sneak peek into what this series is about and what we'll be covering in this tutorial series. While learning how to program GPUs, I've spent endless hours either sifting through long theoretical blogs or stumbling upon one-off tutorials. There is no one-stop holistic resource that takes you from a concept to practice. Well, fret no more. With this interactive tutorial series, I aim to bridge that gap between theory and practice. This brings me to the first principle of this series, which is learning by doing. The best way to learn GPU programming is to get your hands dirty, but you also need to understand some core concepts to write rocket-fast GPU algorithms and not something that is essentially a sequential CPU program just running on the GPU. Now let's take a look at the course format. We'll start off by building a solid foundation by briefly covering some key concepts and then quickly jump into some exciting real-world programming examples. Then, the ball is in your court. After each programming tutorial, there will be an exercise where you would put your newfound knowledge to test. If you have any questions or need clarifications, the comment section is your best friend. But wait, there's more. We are also starting a Discord community where you can connect with your fellow programmers. It's an awesome place to learn, collaborate, and have fun while learning. The requirements to participate and excel in this course are simple. You just need some basic C or C++ experience, as that will be the primary programming language for the course. Next, for hardware, a computer with a dedicated GPU is nice to have, but if you don't have one, don't worry. In the next video, I will show you how to access a GPU on the cloud for free. On the software side of things, we will mainly be using CUDA framework from NVIDIA to write our blazing fast kernels. But wait, that's not it. We will also be learning how to do the same tasks by using high-level frameworks like PyTorch and Thrust. So with this series, you will get a both high-level and low-level understanding of GPU programming, and you will be ready to step out in the real world and truly be a GPU master. And if you haven't heard of any of these terms before, don't worry. In the next video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set this all up on your computer. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's take a look at all the exciting topics we'll be covering in this series. We'll start with an introduction to the GPU architecture and its memory model. We'll then move on to crucial concepts like matrix multiplications and convolutions, which are the cornerstone of GPU programming and are used in amazing applications like image convolution, masking, filtering, SLAM, etc. We'll then use these core techniques to build neural networks for machine learning and deep learning on the GPU. In the last phase of this course, we will learn about profiling our code using tools like Nsight and NCompute. We will also look at histogramming and atomic operations. This course structure is inspired from applied GPU programming course at UIUC. I want to emphasize that if you want me to cover any other topics from the ones I listed, please drop a comment below the videos so I can make sure you get the most out of this course. I would like to conclude by emphasizing the importance of active learning. We are all familiar with tutorial hell, where we watch endless tutorials and retain minimal knowledge. So make sure you do the follow-up exercises, because the best way for you to learn is to solve these challenges and learn by making your own mistakes. The next most important thing is continued motivation. And that's where being part of a community helps. So make sure you join the Discord channel to see and share what your fellow GPU programmers are up to. In the next video, we are going to get started with the environment setup for programming GPUs. I'm looking forward to embarking on this exciting journey with all of you. Until then, make sure you like and share this video. And to stay updated with all the latest tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Catch you in the next one.